Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Do you ever feel like your phone is practically glued to your hand? Like you're scrolling endlessly through feeds, but not really seeing anything? You're not alone. That constant buzz, the notifications, the pressure to be always on, it's exhausting. What if I told you that in just 7 days, you could reclaim your time, sharpen your focus, and feel more present and alive than you have in years? That's what we're going to do with the Ultimate 7-Day Digital Detox Challenge. Are you ready to log off and live a little more? Let's get started. Before we dive into the day-by-day plan, let's talk about the why. Think about it. When was the last time you were truly bored? Boredom is the birthplace of creativity. Instead, we fill every spare second with digital noise. This challenge isn't about hating technology. It's about using it intentionally instead of letting it use us. It's about breaking the cycle of mindless scrolling and compulsive checking. The goal is to finish this week feeling refreshed, in control, and more connected to the world around you, and most importantly, to yourself. So, let's set ourselves up for success. First, tell your friends and family you're doing this. Let them know you'll be less responsive. Second, prepare some offline activities. Grab that book you've been meaning to read, find a new recipe, or dust off your old guitar. Let's make this easy and fun. All right, day 1, awareness. Today, you don't have to change anything drastically. The only goal is to notice your habits. Before you pick up your phone, ask yourself, why am I doing this? Are you bored, anxious? Looking for a specific piece of information? You can even keep a little tally sheet. You'll be shocked at how many times you reach for your device out of pure habit. This isn't about judgment. It's about gathering data. By the end of the day, you'll have a clear picture of your digital triggers. For example, I noticed I always grabbed my phone while waiting for my coffee to brew. Just a 2-minute window, but I'd fill it with scrolling. Recognizing that was the first step to changing it. Welcome to day 2, the notification purge. Today, we fight back against the constant interruptions. Go into your phone's settings and turn off all non-essential notifications. Social media alerts, news updates, game reminders, turn them off. Keep only the essentials, like calls and messages from your close contacts. The silence might feel strange at first, but you'll quickly realize how much mental space those little pings were occupying. Suddenly, you're the one deciding when to check your phone, not the other way around. You're no longer a puppet on a string, reacting to every buzz and beep. It's an incredible feeling of taking back control. Day 3 is all about creating no-phone zones. Designate specific areas in your home where phones are simply not allowed. The most powerful ones? The dinner table and the bedroom. Meal times are for conversation and enjoying your food, not for scrolling. I remember when my family first implemented this. The first few dinners were a bit awkward, but then we started talking more, laughing more. It completely changed the dynamic. And the bedroom? Your sleep will thank you. The blue light from screens messes with your melatonin production, making it harder to fall and stay asleep. Charge your phone in another room overnight. Get a real alarm clock if you need one. This one habit can dramatically improve your sleep quality and how you feel the next day. We're at day 4, mindful mornings and evenings. Today, we're bookending our day with intention, not screens. For the first hour after you wake up and the last hour before you go to sleep, your phone is off limits. What can you do instead? In the morning, you could meditate, stretch, journal, or simply enjoy a cup of coffee while looking out the window. Start your day with calm, not chaos. In the evening, read a book, listen to some music, talk with your partner, or plan your next day. This creates a buffer zone that allows your brain to wind down properly, leading to deeper rest and a more peaceful start to your day. It's like giving your mind a gentle sunrise and a calm sunset instead of a jolt of electricity. Day 5, the social media fast. This might be the toughest day for some, but it's also one of the most rewarding. Today, we are logging out of all social media apps. If you feel brave, You can even delete the apps from your phone for 24 hours. Don't worry, your profiles will still be there tomorrow. The goal is to break the comparison trap and the need for external validation. Instead of watching what others are doing, focus on what you are doing. Go for a walk and actually look at the trees instead of trying to get the perfect photo. Have a conversation without thinking about how you'll tweet about it later. You'll discover how much of your mental energy is spent curating your online persona. Today is about just being you, offline. Welcome to Day 6. Reconnect with a hobby. Remember that thing you used to love doing before you spent hours online? Today's the day to bring it back. Maybe it's painting, playing an instrument, gardening, or building something. Dedicate at least 1 hour to a screen-free hobby. Technology is great, but it rarely involves creating something tangible with your hands. The feeling of accomplishment you get from finishing a sketch, learning a new song, or even just baking a loaf of bread is something a like can never replicate. This is about engaging your mind and body in a different way, reminding yourself of the joys that exist beyond the digital world. I picked up my old sketchbook and honestly, it felt like coming home. Finally, Day 7, the grand finale and future planning. Today you can slowly and intentionally reintroduce technology. But before you do, take some time to reflect. How do you feel? More rested? Less anxious? More creative? Write down what you've learned about your habits and what changes you want to keep. Maybe you'll keep the no-phone zones or stick to the notification purge. The point of this detox wasn't to abandon technology forever, but to build a healthier, more balanced relationship with it. Create your own personal user manual for your devices. For example, maybe you decide to only check social media once a day, or you set a timer when you browse. You are now the architect of your digital life. Congratulations, you made it through the 7-day challenge. How incredible does that feel? You've taken a huge step towards a more intentional and present life. This is just the beginning of your journey to a better relationship with technology. Keep the habits that served you, and don't be afraid to do a mini detox whenever you feel the digital noise creeping back in. If you found this challenge helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need a digital reset. And of course, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you don't miss our next video. We'd love to hear about your experience in the comments below. Which day was the hardest for you? What was the most surprising benefit? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.